Welcome to Decentraland. In this video, I'm going to take you on a time travel through the history and future of Decentraland. Decentraland is a virtual world where anyone can create anything they want, and because of that, there have been and will be many different kinds of people living in this world that might seem to be strange or even scary at first glance. But how did it start and where will it end? So fasten your seatbelts for time traveling through the history of Decentraland. Let's start our journey back in the year 2015. Art Milik and Esteban Ordaño, Argentinians, they created Decentraland back in 2015. The initial version was a pixelated grid that assigned pixels to users using a proof-of-work algorithm. Decentraland later evolved into a 3D world. In October 2018, Decentraland and Animoca brands completed a trade of shares and mana tokens worth $500,000 each. Decentraland investors include Digital Currency Group, Kinetic Capital, FBG Capital, Coin Fund, and Hashed. Developers sold virtual land parcels for as little as $20 when Decentraland was still in beta in 2017, following the 2020-2021 NFT art boom. The most coveted digital real estate in Decentraland was marketed for more than $100,000. Sotheby's, a London-based auction house, erected a digital copy of its New Bond Street headquarters as a virtual gallery for digital art in Decentraland back in June of 2021. Sotheby's on New Bond Street in London was recreated virtually using Decentraland to show and sell NFT art. On June 18, 2021, Republic Realm, a New York-based digital real estate investment vehicle, bought 259 Decentraland plots for over $913,000 that it plans to convert into a virtual shopping district called Metajuku, which is inspired by the Tokyo shopping district Harajuku. The 4-day Metaverse Festival, held in October 2021, was the inaugural Metaverse music event and featured virtual reality acts by deadmau5, Aluna George, Alice in Wonderland, and other musicians. People are getting excited about the world's first mana coin. Following Facebook's rebranding as Meta, the price of Decentraland's mana token reached an all-time high of $4.33 in October 2021. Does Decentraland have a future? Over the next 2 years, developments in the metaverse will continue to gain popularity. With experts expecting this trend to continue for several years, I've given it a lot of thought. Yes, due to its exposure to the growing NFT market, novel income streams, dedicated community, and progressive governance structure, Decentraland has a bright future. It's one of the most prominent projects in its area and an early adopter of digital real estate, further cementing its position. Expecting a bright future is one thing, but what are the future growth prospects? The question of whether Decentraland has a future is also dependent on the prospect for digital real estate to become a legitimate asset class. People are spending more time online, which is helping to increase revenue for the platforms on which they connect. Exacerbated by COVID lockdowns, people are spending more time online, resulting in increased value for the platforms on which they interact. In this day and age, people are more inclined to purchase virtual goods than ever before. With the advent of blockchain technology, new opportunities have emerged for game makers and investors alike. This is only the beginning of what will be a revolution in cyber gaming. Well, that's it for today. So what do you think about the future of Decentraland? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below. If you want to know more about Decentraland, then this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more of such amazing and crazy stuff. Time to take your leave. Have a nice day, friends. Goodbye.